So, do you have any idea about blog? If you don't, then let's understand what is a blog. So, a blog is an online journal or a website displaying information in the reverse chronological order, with the latest post appearing first at the top. So basically, it is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. So it is a definition of blog. So let's understand more about it. What is the purpose of blog? See, there are many reasons to start a blog for personal use and only a handful of strong ones for business blogging. Blogging for business projects or anything else that might bring you money has a very straightforward purpose. To rank your website higher in Google to increase your visibility. So you can say the main purpose of a blog is to connect you to the relevant audience, and another one is to boost your traffic and send quality leads to your website. Next one is your blog structure. So the appearance of blogs has changed over time, and these days blogs include a wide variety of items and wizards. Most blogs still include some standard features and structure. So here is the structure of blog. Here are common features, that is the header part with the menu or navigation bar, then the main content area with highlighted or latest blog post, then the sidebar with social profiles, favorite content or call to action, and the last one is your footer part, which includes relevant links like privacy policy, contact page, etc. So this is the basic structure of a blog. Next is what differentiates blogs from websites. Many people cannot understand the difference between the blog and the website. So let's understand a difference between blogs and websites. See, blog needs frequent updates. Blog also promote reader engagement. Readers have a chance to comment and voice their different concerns and thoughts. Blog owners update their site with new blog posts on a regular basis. Whereas on the other hand, websites consist of content presentation presented on static pages. Static means that we only present the content on our website. So one major difference is that static websites owners rarely update their pages, whereas blogs need to be updated frequently. Okay, so these are some basic things about blogs and websites. Now next is in today's session we will learn how to create your beautiful blog website. Before that, I want to explain you one thing. Why is blogging becoming so popular? It is popular because it became a mainstream source of information. You can get as much as information from the blogs. Through blogging, companies keep clients and customers up to date. Through blog, visitors can comment, interact with you or your brand. Also, you can earn money from blogging or through blogging. So now let's understand how to create a blog free of cost. Creating your beautiful blog website is easy. First is the free one website is your blogger.com. Blogger.com is a website which allows you to create a blog free of cost. So these are some steps to creating a blog. Let me show you the practical of how to create a blog. So first of all, just open blogger.com. So here is the blogger.com. This is used to publish your passions your way. Create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free. So creating blog by blogger.com is as easy as also it is a free. No cost is charged for this blogger.com. So how to create this blog? See, when you first try to make a blog, you have to click on create your blog, and when your blog is created and you want to access your blog, then you have to do sign in for that purpose. So here, as I am going to start first time, so let's me just click on create your blog. By creating your blog, it will ask you for the Google account or Gmail account. So if you have any Gmail account, then you have to sign in with that particular account, or you have to make a Google account, Gmail account. So let me use my Google account. Enter the password. Next. So here is the first interface of blogger.com. Okay, so here you can see here is a link that is to create a blog. So just click on that. It will ask you about the name of a blog. See, it must be unique. If it already exists, then this will not allowed by blogger.com. See, I want to try just write by computer. If I write computer, just creating blog, choose a name for your blog. First of all, you have to mention the name of your blog. So I'll just write web design, then next, then simply you have to choose a URL for your blog. URL means Uniform Resource Locator, that what is the address of your blog. If you want to give your blog address to someone, then what will you say? Like if you are using gmail.com, then you say open the gmail.com, or if you want to open HDFC Bank site, then you say open the hdfcbank.com. So blog address must be unique. So just write here, suppose if I write computer, so it is saying sorry, this blog address is not available. That means someone already is using a blog by naming this computer. So address of your blog is just like computer.blogspot.com. So if I say web design 2020, so I think this blog address is not available. This is not available. So if I just add something more like SCPT, that is September, so this blog address is available. Now click on save. Now it is the interface, or it is the first window of your blog creation. So here is the name of my blog, that is this. See, if you want to make more than one blogs, then by doing new blog you can create blogs more than one, and the list is came here like web designing showing here. If you click on this, you will get another blogs. So now what to do? We have to select a template if we want to use here are many links like post, new post, stats, comments. So we will see these all one by one, and how to make post, how to use comments. If someone comment on your post, then by this comments you will see all the comments. As we have nothing in our blog, there are no new comments. Earnings. For earnings, you have to create a AdSense account, and for that purpose, first you have to make your content of a blog is unique, and as many as users like your blog post or visit your blog post. This pages one part will create pages in the blog, that in particular website we are making pages, web pages. So here it will done by this pages. Post is particularly just like an article on a web page. Then layout. Layout means what is the layout you want for your blog. Like here are many things, like you want a header part, you want subscription part, you want sidebar or page list of ads, many things you want. If you want to use here, then you can add it by this layout window. Next part is your theme. See, theme is just like to select like a template. It will work like a template. If you select a particular thing, like if I want this one, so here just I want to see the preview. So here is the preview of this theme. It's showing my name of blog, and as I haven't added anything, that's why it is blank. So it is the preview part. See, if you want to use this theme as your blog theme, you simply apply. Okay, now your blog will use this particular theme, and you can customize this theme by here. Settings part include many types of settings related to your blog, that the name, title, description. If you want to add some description part about your blog, you can add here. Then language, dull content, show warning to blog readers if you want to give any warning, just like the content is not for kids, etc. Then privacy, visible to search engines or not, that if you want to your blog will be searched by users on search engines, then click on that, otherwise uncheck it. Okay, publishing, the blog address is there. Then if you want custom domain means like if you want to a new domain, that means here you see when you want to open your blog, you have to write web design sept 2020.blogspot.open. If you want a custom domain, that on your choice, then use this part. Then some permissions, then post, max post shown on main page, how many posts you want to show on a particular page or posts. So for comments part, so these are settings for every part of your blog. We will discuss each one by one. Here at the end, if you want to delete your blog, see, if you don't want this blog, just here is a link, remove your blog. Just click on it. It will simply delete your blog. By clicking on the delete window, it will delete the blog. And if you want to delete it permanently, then click on permanently delete. Or if you have deleted this blog by mistake, then undelete it. So if I want to delete it permanently, just click on permanently delete. It will delete the blog. So here you can see there is no blog. There is again, we are seeing a link that is named create blog. Okay, so